Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about the stock market, the S&P 500, the DXY or dollar currency index. We're going to also have a look at Bitcoin, what's happening with crypto, but more importantly, I'm going to reveal to you another coin, like an AI coin, which I think has a crazy high potential to go way higher in this upcoming bull market in 2024. If you haven't done so, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's going to really help me to post put more videos every single day about this coin that are going to explode, but also it's going to help you to navigate the crypto markets in a more safe manner and to help you to understand when is the right time to buy, right time to sell. But of course, no financial advice. And if you don't forget to please push the like button just to watch this video, and I hope you're going to enjoy the show because this is going to be mind-blowing. Guys, straight away I want to show you what's happening right now with the Bitcoin market. As you know, my first prediction was that on the weekly chart, guys, it looks like we're going to go into a parabolic blow off top, which could be coming actually as soon as May or June 2024. And my target, guys, for that parabolic blow off top is going to be roughly at $83,000. So I'm expecting Bitcoin in the next 3 to 4 months to break all-time high, and then as a consequence, we're going to see a potential altcoin season when all the altcoins are going to rally extremely high compared to what they are right now. But at the moment, on the daily chart, I want to show you what's happening right now. So it looks like Bitcoin was about to have a retracement down to roughly $48,000 to $47,000, but it's now stuck still in this rectangle over here. It's pretty much forming this series of highs and lows, in this rectangle over here. So we have to wait Bitcoin to break this level over here. So I was actually very convinced last night that we would have seen a breakdown down to this area over here, $48,000 to $49,000, to retest this diagonal line here. But what happened now? Bitcoin has printed, like yesterday, a bullish engulfing candle over here. Also, if you have a look at the MACD, there is a crossover on the MACD, so it looks actually pretty strong. That it looks like the Bitcoin price actually continue to go to trend higher. And as a rule of thumb, if you actually can calculate from this level to this level over here, and then I just bring it over here, guys, the next target for Bitcoin could be as high as $61,000. Again, not financial advice, but that's what I think we'll be going to. But if we're going to be breaking this rectangle over here, my next target could be, as a very important level of support, would be the $49,500. I guess you just had to wait and see. And if this is going to break down, of course, the next level is going to be a $44,000 to $45,000. So I'm going to also show you a little bit more into a faster time frame. So on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin looks like it's forming a bull flag. I mean, some people are saying it's like a horizontal rectangle, but in my opinion looks more like a bull flag. So we have a pole over here. Then it's probably going to form a series of lower lows and higher lows on the flag. And then what's going to be happening, if we're going to be able to break this level over here, then what we can do, we can calculate the size of the pole from here to here, bring it over here, and it brings it exactly to roughly $61,000 to $60,000. And guess what happens if Bitcoin is going to go so high? The altcoins, guys, are going to go insane. Also, I want to show you why I think that Bitcoin is also going to a blow off top, because look at the S&P 500, guys. The S&P 500 is already at all-time high. It's now at 5,088, and it looks like continue to go higher. So my theory will be that very soon, maybe around March or April, we are going to see a little bit of a correction in the S&P, going back into this area at roughly 4,700 before continuing to go higher at the next level of Fibonacci at $5,700. So whenever we're going to see in the next 2 months a correction of the S&P 500 going down to this rectangle over here of support at around 4,700, I'm expecting Bitcoin then to catch up, form another all-time high, and then to continue. And the reason why I think the S&P and stocks are going to probably have a breather from here, especially because you can see also on the RSI we're forming a bearish divergence, which then can push us back into this area. Doesn't mean that we are bearish over here, but it means that the S&P 500 will have to consolidate a little bit, and then could actually help crypto to go up. And also, as you can see from here, like in a I would say in the next probably 5 to 6 months, the DXY or dollar currency index, which measures the strength of the US dollar compared to the other currencies like the euro and the Japanese yen, is actually in a downtrend. So whenever you're going to see the DXY in a downtrend, it means that it's actually very positive for crypto and for stocks. So as long as you see this one to go down this way, stocks and crypto actually are going to go up. So for me, I'm expecting that by the end of 2024, DXY will be at roughly 94 to 96, and therefore I can expect crypto and altcoins to go way higher. But in case of a market crash, which could be coming maybe in 2026, then the DXY could pump as high as 120. But now let's reveal the coin, which I think is going to go crazy and looks amazing. The coin is called INJ, guys. INJ, or Injective Protocol, is one of the AI coins, very similar to FET, which I showed a video before, and it looks like, has already broken all-time high, just pumping all the way up to here. And I want to show you some simple targets which I think we could actually reach to. But the first thing I want to show you today, just maybe more in a shorter term, what I think could be happening right now. So first of all, I'm going to go on the daily chart. The daily chart as well for INJ, it looks like it's forming what we call a bull flag as well over here. So the bull flag is this way over here. So it could be forming right now a series of again lower lows and lower highs on the flag. And I guess we have two potential hypothetical scenarios. Number one would be that we're going to break, from here and then pump way higher. Next one would be to continue with this bull flag, retouch this 200-day moving average at around $25 and then pump to the upside, or even probably touch here 28 and then pump to the upside. But again, I think that this looks like a continuation pattern. And remember, guys, we are in a bull market, and I'm expecting continuation from here. I'm going to go even more in depth, and I'm going to show you on the 1 hour chart what I think is going to be happening with Injective Protocol. At the moment, we are sitting at $34,000 on the 1 hour chart, and it looks like it's forming what we call an inverted head and shoulder. So we have one shoulder over here, next shoulder over here, and the next shoulder is probably going to be forming right now, like in this case here, and it could be retouching this diagonal level of support as is highlighted over here. So if it's going to form this inverted head and shoulder, I can expect as well the RSI to then go back down a little bit more. So it's probably going to go and form also a support level around this area here. And then if this is going to play out, of course, the target is going to be straight away up to this previous level of resistance, which is roughly over here. Sorry, I made a mistake. So it's going to probably be around this area over here at $36,000 to $37,000. So I guess, in my opinion, in the next maybe 1 to 2 weeks, ING could actually go up as 10% more. But then we just need to evaluate what's going to happen with Bitcoin, because if with Bitcoin the price is going to go down, it's going to have a correction of $48,000 to $49,000. Then of course ING could be also going down as well. But if we're going to see continuation with Bitcoin, then we can see ING to go and pump way higher. The next one I want to show you, so I showed you already the bull flag, but this is probably more from a macro point of view. I mean, as you can see from here, although we are forming a bull flag on the daily, on the weekly, looks like you're forming a bullish pennant. So as you can see, Injective Protocol broke the level of a previous all-time high at $22. It just pumped like crazy, and it touched this level of the Fibonacci extension at $45. Then basically wasn't able to continue, because this can be a very strong level of resistance where lots of people actually take profits. And then what happened, it just bumped, went down all the way, retouched this previous all-time high at $27, $28, pump up again, and now it's like consolidating in this pennant. So this is called bullish pennants, and as you can see, that could be happening. We're gonna see a form of high and lows as well to then of course break the pennant. But if this pennant is going to be like a true pennant from here, guys, we are going to see the way you can calculate it from here would be to take the pole of the pennant and then put it over here, and then our target is going to be the next level of the Fibonacci 2.618, which is $73. So at the moment, guys, my strategy is going to be, I already bought lots of ING when it was very low, actually at $6. But if I see, for example, a retest maybe down to the previous all-time high at $21 to $22, I'm definitely going to load up the track. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep it here, see if we're going to see a break to the upside for this pennant. If it's going to break from here, I might wait for the retest down and then buy at the retest. Then it's going to go up this way. Or if it breaks down, I might actually short the retest from here. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So if I'm going to have, for example, a pennant from here, I'm not gonna go long if it's gonna break from here, but I'm just waiting for the retest to go down here, retest the area, and then I'll buy at this level here. Then it's gonna go up, and vice versa. If it's gonna go down this way, I'm not gonna short straight away, but I'm probably gonna wait for the retest of this level of support, and then, which is now resistance, and then I'm gonna short it from here to the maybe until, you know, the $22, which was the previous all-time high from here. But again, I'm gonna draw our Fibonacci extension to show you how high Injective Protocol could actually go if Bitcoin goes to $83. And this, guys, again, is not financial advice. Don't take my my study as that is going to happen 100%, because I also can make mistakes, but that's what I think, and that's what the data are showing me right now. Sorry, I'm just going to go and put my Fibonacci extension. I'm going to go from the lowest point over here of Injective Protocol to bring it this way, and as you can see from here, guys, the first target is 74. Then we are going to have 119, 164, and 191. So I believe that at the end of the bull run, or I would say local top for Bitcoin at $83,000, Injective Protocol could be easily going up this way, and then go as high as $200 after the Fibonacci extension. Now, to be extremely conservative, guys, I mean, I know that it sounds very, very high. Some people are actually calling for higher, but I would say that my golden pocket to actually take profits, it would be roughly when INJ is going to reach this area over here, guys, when it's going to go probably in between 1.68 to 2.68, so in between $74 and $120. That's going to be the time where I'm going to be taking profits, because of course, we don't know what's going to happen with the macroeconomics. As a trader, as a seven-figures trader, I learned that the best way usually is just to take profits, on the way, and also not to be too greedy. But I would say that right now, the crypto market, as well as the stock market, looks incredible, looks very good, very bullish, especially on the weekly time frame. So I'm expecting continuation in the next upcoming months. Guys, I hope it was helpful. So to summarize, I think Injective Protocol could go as high as $200, but I will be careful to keep, to hold my coins until 200. Maybe I will take profits maybe from 75 onwards. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. If you have a question, please leave a comment down below. If you want me to analyze any other coin, write in the comments. And I really hope you're gonna have a fantastic weekend. Today is Sunday, so in Sydney here is beautiful day, very sunny. So probably gonna go for a swim right now. But I'm gonna see you in tomorrow for another video. And I think tomorrow I would like to probably talk more about Bitcoin and also the macro cycle, just to have an idea where we're gonna be heading next. Take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.